Now that you've seen The Force Awakens, we're gonna jump into some stuff that never made it into the film. The epic space adventure has tons of concept art and imagery that helped inspire the filmmakers, but a lot of it was not used in the film. Throughout pre-production, Kylo Ren had many different designs. His helmet and face changed drastically. The character was meant to be the next ruler of the galaxy after Vader would die, but director J.J. Abrams scrapped the concept and the Kylo Ren we know today was born. This famous shot of Kylo Ren seen in the trailer was never used in the final film. Qi'ra was the original name of Rey, and the opening credits were initially supposed to start with Rey coming across the lightsaber very early on. But as you know, she doesn't come across Luke's lightsaber until well into the movie. She also does some major damage flying around Star Destroyers, slashing and dashing them with her lightsaber, as seen here in this concept art. Everyone's favorite new droid BB-8 also had an introduction that put him inside a giant trash facility that disposed of old droids. Luckily, he escapes and ends up melting our hearts. Speaking of melted, back to Darth Vader. His helmet was supposed to be a much bigger focus in the film, but the story ended up focusing more on Luke's lightsaber that was found in Maz Kanata's fortress, hidden in a chest. The film was also to feature a hybrid version of Darth Vader, in the form of a Force ghost, being half Anakin, half Vader. This concept was to show that there is light and darkness in all of us, good and bad. Hopefully we see him in a future episode. One major scene that looks like it was filmed and left on the cutting room floor was the snowspeeder scene, which even had LEGO toys released featuring snowtroopers and snow speeders. This behind the scenes photo features Rey in the driver's seat, which would have made an epic scene in the film. Certainly there's a lot of content out there that didn't make it into the film, and hopefully we get a better glimpse of the stuff on the Blu-ray. But overall, The Force Awakens was amazing, full of action, adventure, and nostalgia. I really love what they did with the film. They kept it old school, brought back the original characters, yet kept the story moving along for a whole new generation. I can't wait to see what happens next on May 26, 2017. What was your favorite part of The Force Awakens? Leave your comment down below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got a bunch more Flix movies coming your way.